Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change from Uber Eats to Uber Driver. Make sure to follow the step-by-step process and you will be able to do it. First of all, go to Google in your browser, either you're on your laptop or PC or mobile phone, and write down Uber Eats to Uber Driver. Make sure to write down the search query, press enter, and you will be seeing the first website switching to driver with Uber, uber.com. Make sure to open the first page or first website that you see and click on contact support to switch. And make sure that you have logged in with your Uber account. As you can see that I already have logged in with my account. If you are not already logged in, you won't be able to do it, and you will be sent to this section. I want to drive with Uber, and once you're on this page, how long does it take? You can just read all the information here, what happens to Uber Pro points tiers, and what happens after the account switch. You can read all the information, and once you read down all the information, you can just tick these cities, like these points or these options, and make sure that whatever you are, yeah, these are, some of them are required, so make sure to must tick them. And if you want to change your city, you can just tick this one as well. And if you would like to change city, please enter the new city below. Make sure to enter the new city if you want to change your city, and after that just click on submit. And once you click on submit, as you can see, we have received your message and will be in touch as soon as possible. So they will contact you within 3 days. And this process is basically pretty simple. They will email you and also verify your information, like why are you changing, and your car information, the background as well. So make sure to complete all the steps, and after that you will be able to do it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.